Halloween! It's the one night a year when we can be anyone we want. We dress up, go door to door, and indulge in sweet treats. But what about the food? Halloween parties are all about spooky snacks. Food is a big part of the fun. It's not just about candy. Imagine your friends walking into a Halloween party. What do they see? Cobwebs, pumpkins, and a table full of spooky snacks. That's what we're talking about. Let's make this Halloween delicious. We're going to make easy, spooky snacks. These recipes are simple. You don't need to be a chef to make them. From creepy dips to monstrous treats, we've got you covered. Get ready to impress your guests. Let's get started and make this Halloween delicious. First up, we have ghostly guacamole. This dip is easy to make and always a hit. 3 ripe avocados, half a cup of salsa, 1/4 cup chopped onion, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon lime juice, salt and pepper to taste, and tortilla chips for dipping. 1. Mash the avocados in a bowl. 2. Stir in the salsa, onion, cilantro, and lime juice. 3. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 4. Serve with tortilla chips. The green guacamole looks like a spooky ghost. Serve it with black bean chips for a spooky twist. Next, we have slithering spider cookies. These delightful treats are perfect for adding a touch of spooky fun to your Halloween festivities. Not only are they delicious, but they also make for a fantastic activity to do with kids, bringing joy and creativity into the kitchen. These cookies are fun to make with kids. Imagine the laughter and excitement as little hands shape the dough and decorate their very own spider cookies. It's a wonderful way to bond and create lasting memories. To get started, you'll need a few simple ingredients. 1 package, 18.2 ounces of chocolate cake mix. This will be the base of our cookies, providing a rich and chocolatey flavor that everyone will love. Next, you'll need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. This helps to keep the cookies moist and gives them a delightful texture. Add 1/4 cup of water to the mix, which will help to bring all the ingredients together. And finally, 1 egg, which acts as a binding agent, ensuring that our cookies hold their shape while baking. For the decoration, you'll need 1 tube, 16 ounces of ready-to-use chocolate frosting. This will be used to frost the cookies and give them a deliciously sweet and creamy topping. Additionally, you'll need 1 bag, 12 ounces of milk chocolate chips. These will be used to create the eyes of our spider cookies. And don't forget the candy eyes. You'll need 48 of them to complete the look of your spooky treats. Now, let's get started with the baking process. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This ensures that the cookies bake evenly and come out perfectly every time. 2. In a large bowl, combine the chocolate cake mix, vegetable oil, water, and egg. Beat the mixture until it is smooth and well combined. This is a great step to involve the kids, as they can help with the mixing and stirring. 3. Drop the cookie dough by rounded tablespoons onto ungreased baking sheets. Make sure to space them out evenly to allow for spreading during baking. 4. Bake the cookies for 8 to 10 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Keep an eye on them to ensure they don't overbake, as we want them to remain soft and chewy. 5. Once the cookies are done baking, let them cool completely on the baking sheets. This step is crucial, as it allows the cookies to set and makes them easier to handle when decorating. 6. Once the cookies have cooled, it's time to frost them with the chocolate frosting. Spread a generous amount of frosting on each cookie, covering the entire surface. This will be the base for our spider decorations. 7. Place 2 milk chocolate chips on each cookie to create the eyes. Position them near the top of the cookie, leaving enough space for the candy eyes. 8. Add the candy eyes to the chocolate chips. Gently press them into the frosting to ensure they stay in place. Now, your cookies are starting to look like adorable little spiders. These cookies look like spiders crawling across a plate. They are sure to be a hit at any Halloween party, delighting both kids and adults alike. Enjoy your sweet and spooky treats. Looking for a healthier option? Try these monstermouth apple bites. They're easy and fun to make. 4 red apples, half a cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of mini marshmallows, and 16 slivered almonds. Cut each apple into quarters. Spread peanut butter on one side of each apple quarter, press mini marshmallows into the peanut butter for teeth, add 2 slivered almonds for fangs. Why it's perfect for Halloween? These apple bites look like little monster mouths. Need something savory for your Halloween party? Look no further. These witch's finger breadsticks are perfect for dipping into your favorite sauces, adding a spooky touch to your table. You'll need one package, 11 ounces, of refrigerated breadsticks. These are easy to find in any grocery store. Gather your ingredients. 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Don't forget the 16 sliced almonds. These will be used to create the eerie fingernails on your breadsticks. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This ensures your breadsticks bake evenly and come out perfectly golden. Unroll the breadsticks and place them on a baking sheet. Brush each one generously with the melted butter to give them a rich flavor. Next, sprinkle the garlic powder and Parmesan cheese over the breadsticks. This will add a delicious, savory taste that everyone will love. Now for the spooky part. Press a sliced almond onto the end of each breadstick to create a creepy fingernail effect. This detail really brings the witch's fingers to life. Place the baking sheet in the oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the breadsticks are golden brown and crispy. Once baked, arrange the breadsticks on a spooky table setting. They make a fantastic addition to any Halloween party, sure to impress your guests. These breadsticks look just like witch's fingers, adding a fun and eerie element to your Halloween spread. Enjoy the savory and spooky treat. Halloween is the perfect time to get creative with your beverages, and nothing says spooky quite like a punch that looks back at you. Every party needs a signature drink. It sets the tone and adds a special touch to the festivities. This eerie eyeball punch is sure to be a hit with both kids and adults alike. This eerie eyeball punch is both tasty and spooky. The combination of flavors is refreshing, and the presentation is sure to impress. To start, you'll need 2 liters of ginger ale and 1 cup of cranberry juice. The ginger ale adds a fizzy, refreshing base, while the cranberry juice gives it a tart, fruity kick. 2 liters ginger ale, 1 cup cranberry juice. Next, add 1/2 cup of lime juice. The lime juice adds a zesty tang that balances out the sweetness of the other ingredients. 1/4 cup grenadine syrup, 1 cup gummy worms. The grenadine syrup not only adds a rich, sweet flavor but also gives the punch a deep blood red color, perfect for Halloween. And of course, no Halloween punch would be complete without some fun, creepy additions like gummy worms. 1 cup lychees peeled and pitted. Lychees are the secret ingredient that makes this punch truly eerie. When peeled and pitted, they look just like eyeballs. In a large punch bowl, combine ginger ale, cranberry juice, lime juice, and grenadine syrup. Gently stir to combine. Make sure all the ingredients are well mixed to ensure every sip is full of flavor. Add gummy worms to the punch. These not only add a fun, chewy texture but also make the punch look like it's crawling with creepy critters. To make the eyeballs, carefully insert a blueberry into the center of each lychee. The blueberries act as the pupils, making the lychees look even more like real eyeballs. Add the lychee eyeballs to the punch just before serving. This ensures they stay fresh and maintain their creepy appearance. The lychee eyeballs floating in the punch are both creepy and delicious. They add a unique texture and a burst of sweetness that complements the other flavors perfectly. This punch is not only a treat for the taste buds but also a feast for the eyes. Serve it in a large, clear punch bowl to show off all the spooky details, and watch as your guests marvel at your creativity. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party or just want to add a festive touch to your evening, this eerie eyeball punch is sure to be a crowd pleaser. So go ahead, get into the Halloween spirit, and whip up a batch of this ghoulishly good punch. Presentation is key for spooky snacks. Here are some tips. Use Halloween-themed serving dishes. Add spooky decorations like plastic spiders and cobwebs. Dim the lights and use candles for a spooky ambiance. Get creative with your food styling. Halloween is a time for fun and creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. These recipes are just a starting point. Use your imagination to create your own spooky snacks. Remember, the most important ingredient is to have fun. Happy Halloween!